Stewie. Hey.
Hey there. So, it's been 24 hours. Got my money?
Oh, you know what? Just give me till next Friday. I'll have it for you.
Oh, that's funny. I could have sworn I said have it today.
Yeah, I don't have it, sorry.
Oh, well, all right then. That's good, OJ. Yeah, that hurt? That hurt?
What the hell?
Yeah, it feels so good, does it? No, huh? Yeah, that's what happens, man.
Oh my God!
Yeah, that's what happens. Where's my money? You gonna give me my money? Where's my money, man? Where's the money? Yeah, you like that? That feel good? That feel good? Where's the money, man? Where's my money? You got till 5 o'clock. You hear me? You got till 5 o'clock.
You freaking psychopath!
Clean yourself up.
I don't know about you guys, but these devices are getting ridiculous. Like, the prices are getting entirely too high. Like, how much is too much? Matter of fact, we're going to answer that. Keep watching. We are at the point to where we're paying over $1,000, sometimes as much as $2,000 for a smartphone.
Excuse me, what?
Don't get me wrong. I'm not pointing fingers at anybody because I'm the worst. Like most people, I was a person that went out, spent $1,000 on this phone. No matter how I spent it, whether you pay for it up front or you break it up in payments, it doesn't matter. It's still $1,000. And me, I tried to make myself feel good by saying, hey, I got to get it. I'm a tech person. I got to buy it so you guys will know, should you buy it or not?
Come again, say what?
Are we at the point to where that is the norm? Are we paying $1,000 for these devices? And even Samsung, they introduced a foldable phone this year that's $2,000.
Excuse me, what?
Like, are you guys not listening? $2,000. Now, to give it up for Samsung, the S10 did come in at a lower price, but let's not forget, we still have the Note that has to come out. And I'm pretty sure if the S10 came in right around that $900, the Note is going to definitely be more than that because that's Samsung's flagship. Samsung has the 5G version of the S10, and that price probably is going to reach around that $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 price point.
What?
Like, are we at that point to where that's what we pay for technology now?
Yes, sir.
How much is too much to pay for technology? Like, when do we draw the line? Me personally, I have a dream to where I can have one device and it does everything. Like, let's just think about it. Say you had one device that's your car keys, your phone, your tablet, your home computer, your laptop computer, your home keys, it's your remote control for your TV, it's everything. Would it be worth it then? Would we be willing to shell out $2,000 for a device that does everything? So that brings me back to my original question. How much is too much? As consumers and wanting to have the latest and the greatest, are we willing to just throw our money at whatever these manufacturers put out at the price point that they're putting out? Or should we demand more out of these products, since obviously the prices are constantly going up and up and up? Should a phone just be a phone? Or should a tablet just be a tablet? Or should that device be your one-all be-all? I mean, the technology is there. Or do we just settle and say, hey, a phone should be a phone, and we demand these prices to go down? I ask you guys, how much are you guys willing to shell out for your next device? I mean, we still have Apple event that has to come. Samsung already put their cards on the table. There are other manufacturers that have put their cards out. Are you going to continue to give over $1,000+ to have these microcomputers that's in your pocket that only remains to still be a phone? Or do you go the other route and buy one of the budget phones because, hey, you're going to upgrade anyway?
You take
And
coupons?
that's another question. Like, how often do you upgrade after you spend $1,500 on this device? Does it change as far as the cycle that the manufacturer should come out with? Instead of coming out with a phone every year or every 6 months, because Apple comes out with the S version and then comes out with a different color, then comes out with something else, and Samsung is starting to follow suit? Or do they change and say, hey, we're giving you guys the best that we have. For the next 2 years, we're not going to come out. Does that soften the blow at all? I want you guys to really think about that, because these prices are getting ridiculous. Now, don't get me wrong. I love technology as much as the next person, probably even more than some people. But these prices are really, really getting up there. And it's something that everyone should think about. Please, please leave your answers down in the comments below. Give me you guys' opinion. Tell me what you think. Is $2,000 too much? As always, man, all the social media is down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Be that person that give us a like. If you don't like the video, you know the other button is down there. But when you click on that other button, leave a comment and let us know how to make the video better. Of course, if you love it, make sure you share it and subscribe it. All the social media stuff is down below. You guys know the saying. And until next time, stay teched up.